This is Fred. Fred is running up and down the aisles over and over again, picking only one item at a time. He spends many hours walking and searching for parts, and he cannot keep up with the amount of orders coming in. Fred is very tired and overworked. This is Tom. Tom is efficient. He has implemented automated storage and retrieval systems from Kardex Remstar, which have improved his picking processes and drastically reduced walk and search times. Tom is batch picking multiple orders at a time. Items are delivered directly to him at an ergonomic access opening. Pick-to-light technology guides him to the correct location, pinpointing the item he has to pick. Tom is excited. Batch picking has increased his overall productivity by 2/3. Are your picking operations fast enough? Reduce redundancy, avoid second or third shifts, and increase your productivity with solutions from Kardex Remstar. And be happy, just like Tom.